So now we have, you can see, the examination which is ongoing now. This is the actual examination on the family medicine. So the students come in actually in 1939. And it's one of the oldest universities in Tajikistan. And by the way, one of the leading universities in Central Asia as well, which actually trains the highly qualified specialists for the healthcare system of Tajikistan and as well as for the foreign countries. And this is the place that you are now, is the simulation center, which was also established in 2022. Well, this is the kind of cert where we normally, how we ask, the patient and get, the full information from the patient about the illness.
तो फिर एक काम कर लेते हैं फिर ओके
And this other, we will see, the monitoring, the reading, the parameters of the health status, health state. So we can see, the different kind of the
Симулятор, робот-симулятор, подростка, робот-симулятор, молодец.
So we have the simulation, adult simulation and the child simulation.
Критические ситуации, 20 критических ситуаций.
So we have the 21 critical situation here and 15 over there.
Критические акции могут отработать практически надо.
Different kind of pathologies and as well as, prescribe some medicine and you do actually some procedures as well. And with the mentioning stating the name of the medicine. But after making the injection, all the changes, these fluctuations are being actually shown in the monitor. And of course the teacher or the mentor sitting down right here next to the computer and she can evaluate how this performance actually was performed, done properly or not. And of course we have and some other actual.
Vaša mic भी check करें अपना.
We have over the 55 the cases, I would say, the pathological cases and the normal cases. And this is the real format and this is the 3D format actually.
Liver, bladder, pancreas and other.
And all the orders actually you can see, in the monitor.
Также можно здесь, это врачи postgraduate обычно обучаются, и они здесь могут сдавать examination.
Well, basically this unit actually is being designed for the students at the postgraduate level, and they can actually come and they can give an exam, so basically. With surgical cases here. This is the virtual program.
Если не знаю, postgraduate обучаются, они не знают, как это делается, вначале смотрят учебное видео.
Well, we do have the tutorial video here you can see, and for the postgraduate students who are not able to do, with this kind of things, so they can actually come and just learn about that, like watching, the video, the tutorial.
И дальше могут быть
And they can actually perform, that. And they can actually simply communicate, with the students.